Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the first official lesson of our SQL series. I'm Rachel, and I am so happy to see you all here. Today marks the beginning of your journey into the world of data, and I promise we're going to make it both professional and exciting. This series is designed to turn you into a data master. We'll be covering everything from basic queries to complex joins. It's great to have you with us at the QA Online Academy. Now, let's get ready to dive into our very first command. In our next lesson, we'll be exploring the distinct statement, which is essential for removing duplicates from your results. But before we get there, we must master the foundation of everything in SQL, the SELECT statement. The SELECT statement is used to select data from a database. It is the most common command you will use as a tester to verify backend information. The syntax is straightforward. You write select followed by the column names you want, and then from followed by the name of the table. Column names are simply the field names in your table. For example, if we want to return the name and city of every person in our customers table, we would write select customer name, city, from customers. Note the comma between the fields. Here is a look at our demo database. You can see the customer ID, customer name, and city columns. The select statement allows us to pull just the pieces we need from this big grid. If you want to return all columns without typing every single name, you can use the asterisk symbol. Writing select asterisk from customers tells the database to show you every single field available. Now it's time for you to get hands-on. I want you to open PyCharm on your computer. We're going to practice exactly what we just learned. Imagine a table named products with name and price. Write a query to retrieve those two columns. I'll wait 10 seconds while you type it out. Go. How did you do? Let's check the solution together. It's important to get the commas and semicolons in the right spots. The correct code is select name, comma, price, from products, followed by a semicolon. This returns exactly what we asked for. Great work. Don't stop here. Go back to previous chapters if you need a refresher, and practice in your free time. The more you write, the easier it becomes. Join me in the next chapter, titled The Distinct Statement, where we'll learn how to handle unique values. It's a crucial skill for every professional tester. Please join and subscribe to our channel to stay updated and leave your feedback below. We love hearing how your learning journey is going. Thanks so much for being part of the QA Online Academy today. I'm Rachel, and I'll see you very soon for our next SQL lesson. Happy testing!